morning, everyone. It is Monday and I have today off, luckily, but I'm a very routine person. You're gonna find this about me, but I have my workout this morning. I see Elijah, which is my trainer that I see twice a week. It's raining, really Monday of all Mondays. I'm trying to take this YouTube stuff seriously, so we're gonna fix my calendar, do some errands, and then we have a special dinner today at Musang with Chef Kyle and my friend DJ Dom, so that's gonna be a cool event to go. I have my Celsius. I only get this flavor, the peach mango and green tea flavor. Dude, sorry, my voice sounds like trash, y'all. It was a long weekend. But let me know if I should try other flavors, because this is the only one I really like. I like that it's non-carbonated, but you know, sometimes I'll be on my For You page and they'll be like, Celsius is bad, and I'll be like, flip. So don't tell me it's bad, because I already heard it. But let's head to this workout, because Elijah's gonna kill me if I'm late. Okay, so we made it to my gym. I am a little bit late, but I brought him snacks, so it's a trade-off. But this is my trainer, Elijah. I see him twice a week. I will let him introduce himself.
So my name is Elijah Jordan. I'm the owner of EMJ Games. Me and Tina have been working together now for, what, 3 years?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 years. So a lot of big growth, especially on the mind to body connection. But you guys gonna see some of the work she does today, so.
And it's crazy because they've never seen me work out at all on this channel, so they probably don't know that I've been from the girl from the beginning till now. It's a lot.
But we got some stuff. We got some stuff we can do that we can like show.
So this is Brandon. He owns this gym.
Hey, I'm Brandon. I own Blend Fitness. We're a place where you can come hang out, work out, be yourself. It's authentic. It's friendly. We know our shit. We help people get in shape. We change lives.
We know our shit.
That's what we're all about, growing here together as a community and having a spot where you can just like put the bullshit. It's an escape from reality. For 1 hour or 2 or 7 or 24, it's escape from reality to come and kick it with us.
All right, guys, so this beginning portion of her workout is ballistic training. This is gonna prime her body for lifting weights, okay? So these movements are just to fire off muscle groups. So her joints gonna feel good, her shoulders, her knees, her hips. Let's see how she do.
So I just got back from the gym, had to wash my hair, take a shower, and there's a little bit of time in between dinners, so I haven't ate, so I'm gonna make lunch for Simon and I, make some coffee, fix my calendar, because if I don't write everything out for the whole month, then nothing's gonna happen. I always like tell people, if it's not on my digital calendar or my written calendar, then it's not gonna happen. So we're gonna do some of that today, some editing, and then I do have to go in the office tomorrow, so yeah, just trying to take advantage of my day off. We should always have Mondays off, I feel, to be honest. I made him breakfast, but what's going on right now?
Our fridge is broken.
Yeah, so we moved in. These appliances look real new and fresh, y'all, right? The freezer doesn't work, and now the microwave doesn't work.
When it rains, it pours.
So we might need to get new appliances. Is this what home ownership is about?
Home ownership.
This is very basic. So this is what I usually eat like every single day. I think being a food blogger, eating out all the time and getting food, sometimes we just need something very simple. I try to eat very simple and basic when I'm at home, like more healthier. And so I have my coffee, English muffin with eggs. Love it spicy. And then I made Simon, he likes his eggs a little bit more cooked. He thinks my eggs are way too runny. But yeah, we're gonna eat and then I will work on my calendar while Simon's trying to figure out the fridge. So we're headed to Musong for Chef Kyle's pop-up with our friend Dom, who's also DJing their cousins. Really excited. We're so hungry right now, and I'm excited to try the food. We went to the Chef Kyle's pop-up before, and it was like a soul food Filipino, so I already know this is gonna be fire. You excited, babe?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What are we gonna have today?
We're gonna have greatness, Filipino soul food at its finest, you know what I'm saying? Out here in South Fan, Beacon Hill, right next to the Shell gas station here.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
It's amazing.
Are you tired?
I am so tired. Thank you for fucking with me and coming to this fucking pop-up, you know what I mean? Thank you for supporting Dom. You know what I'm saying? That's my cousin. You know, here's out there, it's a mono out there in the corner right here. He wave up in this bitch too. The homies from North End right here. Yeah, no, just have fun. It's funny, you know. Eat some food. I'm a little tipsy right now. I'm gonna be real with you. And these grills is hard to talk with. You know what I'm saying? I gotta take out the top ones, but yeah, no, I'm gonna say a little cheers. You know what I'm saying? In the words of E40, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I ain't above you, I ain't below you, but I'm right next to you. Cheers. Yeah.
That shit's so good.
That made me melt, bro.
Are you licking it?
It's really good.
Sister supporting. Wow. We got 2 model siblings.
I'm so proud of him. He always kills it. He's on a come up, you guys. Watch out for him.
So we have the empanada here. It's really large, but we're gonna add a little bit of sauce. I think it's vinegar and fish sauce. Ready?
All right, here we go.
That's why he didn't dab you, dummy. eat it, it's like the flavor of beef steak instantly just comes, but the gravy, I feel like that's like what tops it off. The gravy is amazing.
That's not Mang Tomas or what?
That might be my favorite so far. The beef steak might be my favorite.
That shit's bad.
So we're gonna put the ube butter onto the corn bread.
Video?
Wow. Oh, there we go. He's like, Is this how music videos are?
Everybody wishing. I hope you play your position.
E.O.G. Hey, wallet me. Hey.
Yeah, Roscoe ski.
Long hair, she don't care. When she wants, she gets stands all the way. Daily deal, I swallow. Moscato, freaky. Hey.
To the chef.
Cheers. To a real one.